Now let's explore shifts in supply. Shifts in supply can be a little bit tricky. It's important to remember that when we're shifting supply and demand, you should think of it as an inward or outward shift, not up or down. This will help you remember which way supply shifts as it increases or decreases. Just like with demand, changes in price will not shift the supply curve. Remember that supply explains the relationship between price and quantity. So an increase in price just means a movement along the supply curve, not a change in supply. So if we have an increase in supply, this means that the entire line will move. And as supply increases or shifts outward, this will drive down the price of the product as there's more available on the market. So an increase in supply results in an increase in the quantity traded on the market, but a decrease in the equilibrium price. Likewise, if we have a decrease in supply, the good is becoming more scarce, and the price on the market will increase. You can think of this as an inward shift of the supply curve, leading to a new equilibrium point here at the intersection of our new supply curve and the demand equation, leading to a decrease in equilibrium quantity, but an increase in price. And all of this should make sense intuitively with what you know about the effect of the supply of a product on the value that it's trading for on the market. If there's not very much available, the price will be higher than if there's plenty. So here we have a decrease in quantity and increase in price. Finally, you can remember that the quantity should always move in the same direction as the line is shifting. An increase in demand and an increase in supply will both result in an increase in the quantity that's being traded on the market. So you can always check that you've shifted it the right direction by checking which way the quantity has moved. In the next video, we'll get to the causes of shifts of supply, and then what happens if both supply and demand shift together.